On the 3rd of January, I turned 24.
Thank you, Jessie.
Happy birthday to you.
Sometimes it feels strange to believe that I have been here on this very earth for 24 years. How, in my very limited memory, all the days, weeks, months, and the years are collapsed into fleeting fragments of moments, feelings, and stories scattered within my mind.
Oh, look at this piece. Yeah, feel it.
And how of the many moments we've experienced on this earth, most of it are lost and erased. Maybe that's why people take photographs and videos, why they write and journal, and why people collect mementos like postcards, knickknacks, t-shirts, fridge magnet, you name it, all in the effort of preserving a memory from slipping away. On my 24th birthday, that is also what I'm trying to achieve. To preserve the moment, the youth, and the feeling of when I turned 24. It has become a tradition to take photo automats in Amsterdam on my birthday. A tradition that has just started a year ago, but is determined to be executed in the next coming birthdays. I find it cute to see how my age progresses over the years in a form of photo strips. Speaking of the attempt to preserve a moment, in this case, I am attempting to preserve how my face looked. A thought popped up in my mind one late night before going to bed. I don't feel 24. Usually, this will make me spiral into a sea of thoughts and sappy sentimental reflection of my existence. But that night, I answered myself. What does feeling like 24 even mean? Or to be 19? Or 40s? I don't think it's a real thing. I don't think there's ever a single feeling and definition to define what an age should feel like or be like. It should simply feel like now. Well, maybe I'm talking nonsense. I know for sure I make a lot of that in my life. At the end of the day, I'm just a girl trying to constantly make sense of her own thoughts. Besides having my birthday, I also have a few random moments and clips in the early of January that I would also like to preserve and for you to enjoy. Guys, look! I finally installed the pendant lamp. Well, not me technically, my landlord did earlier this morning. Ta-da! Wait, I'm gonna show you. Happy New Year! Oh my god, it still feels so weird saying that we are stepping into 2025. Honestly, I just haven't had the time to really properly just sit down and like think and reflect, and today is going to be that day. And I feel like this week has been quite of like a slow-paced week for me. Last week my friend Jessica left and went back to Paris, which was really sad. We had like one of the best time. It's been really great being with her. We only see each other like twice a year, sometimes even once a year, and it's our like 8th year of friendship, I believe. And it's almost crazy that 5 years of it are plainly based on long distance friendship. With her, distance doesn't seem like a problem, and it's almost crazy how despite the difference and like we have different type sets of routine, it's not like we call every time. We would just like send each other voice notes, and oh my god, the power of voice notes, guys. I think it's one of my favorite form of communication because you can always open them whenever you feel like you have enough attention, enough capacity to reply or talk about your day as well. So our friendship has been mainly based on voice notes. And yeah, so I wanted to talk a little bit about the book. A friend of mine gave me this. It has like just like one page each day for I think the rest of the year. It's just like perfect. I love these kind of books. Like you can always just pick it up and read one passage a day. This is about like philosophy and stoicism. It's about a lot of things, but to put it in a nutshell, and one of like the most important essence is like learning what we can control and the things that we don't, and then which things we have control and choices over, and then not putting so much energy and stress into the things that we don't, such as external things, for example, the weather. Today, one of the things that they said is that differentiating between what we can change and what we cannot, what we have influence over and what we do not. A flight is delayed because of the weather. No amount of yelling at an airline representative will end a storm. No amount of wishing will make you taller or shorter or born in a different country. No matter how hard you try, you cannot make someone like you. And that is a good reminder for the new year, guys. Understanding the things that you can control and you cannot. But yeah. Guys, look at this magic. And I'm gonna make it red. Oh my god, it's so incredibly cold in this house. Well, it's also mainly because we do not turn on the heater. Well, me and my housemate, we try our best not to turn on the heater unless it's freezing cold, so we're just surviving with our sweaters and heat tech. But yeah, I'm gonna make some dinner, I think.